Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. You already know what time it is. Let's see what we're doing today, guys. We're back in the music lab. You know what I'm saying? But before jumping in, I just want to, say y'all, how y'all doing today? Y'all been taking care of yourself? I talk to y'all every time I come. I ask y'all the same questions. I'm going to ask y'all every video. Y'all been taking care of yourself? Y'all been drinking your water? Have you been staying prayed up? Have you been on your purpose? Have you been taking steps to get closer and closer to your goals? Those are all important stuff that I want you to think about on a daily, and I hope you are, taking strides to make it better. You know what I'm saying? We're a big family over here, man. I want you to be the best version of yourself possible, and just like that, I want you guys to want me to be the best version of myself possible. You know what I'm saying? So I want y'all to help me keep on the grind, staying on my purpose and stuff, while I'm gonna help y'all keep on your grind, stay on your purpose. And you know what I'm saying? And taking care of yourself, man. We're a family, dog. We all that we got. That mafia, you see me? Yeah, man, but you see, guys, before, today I'm here with another video. You know what I'm saying? This is an artist I haven't reacted to in a minute. You know what I'm saying? It's been a while since I reacted to this artist. And this popped up on my feed. No one requested this one. This one popped up on my feed. I'm like, yo, this would be nice to react to. Because it's a talented artist. I haven't reacted to him in a while. You know what I'm saying? So definitely go and check it out. See what's going on. And man, yo, mafia, let me talk to him. Y'all not sending me the request, bro. Y'all not sending me suggestions of music that I should react to, man. Come on, man. If y'all, I'm gonna get to some lit songs eventually, but if you want to see those lit songs earlier, y'all gotta send in the request, man. Hit me up, spam the comments. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. That's how you get it done. You gonna get your shout out. You gonna get your shout out, and you gonna see your comments on the screen. So come on, man. Drop them comments, man, and come on. Guys, I need y'all. Yo, we strong over here. I need y'all to get better with the like button, man. Come on. There should be no video I'm getting less than 20 likes. Come on, man. Yeah, the goal for this video is 50 likes, guys. Come on. Yeah, I know y'all can do it. Each video after this, I want to see y'all. Come on, show us strong. Let's get 50 likes. Come on. We can do that. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, guys. We go to the video we're checking out today is actually Boy. This one is Bufu. I'm gonna check it out, you know what I'm saying? Cause boy, like I say, talented artist. The last time we check out was a boy, this boy get shot, boy, what? You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, and I was just wondering, like, yo, what happened to Boy? I haven't seen a lot of the artists that are, Trinidad artists and, saying a lot of the Caribbean artists that's not from Jamaica that I usually react to. I haven't seen or heard a lot from them. You know what I'm saying? And I need y'all guys to hit me up. If I haven't been reacting to them, to send me the videos to react to. Remind me of them, you know what I'm saying? So I can check it out and see what I go on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So this one popped up on my feed. I'm like, yo, the boy, this will be good because you're a talented artist. So we're going to check it out and see what I go on, man. You know what I'm saying? So before we jump in, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. Turn on the post notification bell so you can get my videos as soon as I upload it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we back in it, man. This one should be a vibe. Hopefully, this is Boy Bufu. Let's get it. Look like my dog be making money.
Them go online, nobody know. Bufu them at it up, running on the channel to a boy. Carry my nine everywhere me go. In a pussy shot fit up, Trini bad forever, boy.
Yeah, Trini bad forever. To them a go on like say yo Bufu them at. Hey, be able to self, man. Come in.
Nobody know. Bufu them at it up, running on the channel to a boy. Carry my nine everywhere me go. In a pussy shot fit up, Trini bad forever, boy. Hey, Paki. How move shot with this party? Me ready for shake up this party. No matter night or day, me just park it. Bufu, we just park it. Knock it on them without talking.
You know, man, Trini bad favor. Bufu, I'm told.
Simple, easy like walking. Unbelievable damage. Bufu, I from no brave. Some of the killers them over the gate. Hello, tip shot, I go fuck up your face. Forensic, I come like a place. Bufu,
yeah, man, I'm liking this one. High energy, high impact. You know what I'm saying? hard in punchlines, the beat and everything. Yeah, man, this is something. This is definitely how you come back. You know what I'm saying, boy? This is definitely you come back. You know what I'm saying? The man going like, they know, Bufu, hot it up. Anyway, we going, hey, Bufu.
Weird, shut it fierce. I better boss, nobody no better here.
This sound like drill music too, bro. This is Trini drill, huh? This is Trini drill. Hey, that's it.
Die, 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 die. Bullet, ya go find boy, fully 5.5. Die, 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 die. Pussy up 9 lives, shot him more than 9 times.
Ooh, that bad. Die, 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 die. Pussy have 9 lives, shot him more than 9 times. Bufu.
Them one line, nobody know. Bufu, them heart it up. Gun in and it and not to a boy. Carry my 9 everywhere me go.
Carry my 9 everywhere me go.
In a pussy shot fit up.
The way you said that a while ago, make it sound like one word to blow. Carry my 9 anywhere me go. You see it? Make it sound like one word to blow.
But forever, boy. Them one line, nobody know. Bufu, them heart it up. Gun in and it and not to a boy. Carry my 9 everywhere me go. In a pussy shot fit up. Chinny bad forever, boy. We love walk up, no love talk up. We not beg no friend.
Walk up and talk up and beg no friend from some boy. I'm to them. Make them know boy. I'm to them.
And it drink up till you wake up early morning. Play shake up, none of them no pray so. Gonna wave now, pan another page yo. Speculate how we are running place now. Power in the case so make you levitate yo. Bufu, I just few of them. Nobody no beg on me machine them head. Bust up the key and get tucked in your bed. What big bad man turn baby again? Bufu.
Big man turn baby again. I'm up to some boy. Hey.
Die, 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 die. Bullet, ya go find boy. Fully 5.5. Bufu.
Die, die. Bullet go and find boy. Fully 5.5. I'm up to them.
Die, 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 die. Pussy of 9 lives. Shot it more than 9 times. Them one line, nobody know. Bufu, them heart it up. Gun in and it and not to a boy. Carry my 9 everywhere me go. In a pussy shot fit up. Chinny bad forever, boy. Them one line, nobody know. Bufu, them heart it up. Gun in and it and not
thing.
to a boy. Carry my 9 everywhere me go. In a pussy shot fit up. Chinny bad forever, boy.
Easy now. Be have no self. Training bad. Nah, take no talk. Training bad. I'm to them, man. Yeah, man. Just like that. Easy does it. Yeah, man. Boy. Back with it. Bufu. Yeah, man. That's dope track, man. You already know what time it is. Boy did his thing. Good track to be coming back with. Nice energy. You know what I'm saying? Flow crazy. Lyrics crazy. Yeah, man. Boy did your thing on that one. Bufu. People, I know what y'all think about that track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Very lyrical. Carry my 9 everywhere me go. Yeah, man. I like that flow. That flow is very catchy. You know what I'm saying? You know, yeah. Very catchy, high energy, lyrics, mad. The video was dope too. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, boy, but I'm glad to see you do your thing, dog. Look like you in the States now. Or is that UK, one of them, you know what I'm saying, making money, traveling, doing your thing, looking like a star. Glad to see it. People, let me know what you think about this one. You know what I'm saying? Go down and drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if you're from Trini, St. Kitts, Cayman, UK. It doesn't matter where you're from. Drop the comments in the comment section. Drop a country. I'll give you a shout out. You're going to see your comments on the street. Yo, that mafia, we're going strong over here. Latest reaction channel on YouTube. Ain't nobody fucking with us, man. Come on, we're growing. You know what I'm saying? We're just going to put the work in. We're going straight for the top. We're not stop. You know what I'm saying? Don't know, guys. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.